Christmas is here. May your doors be open now in Jesus' name. I see something there, wrote something like a contract. What are you doing? In this part, like a supply. They wrote it down. Please seriously that that particular grace will be released for you. You will not depend only buy and sell. You will see ways that they supply you to something. Can you be surprised? Lord, I pray. If you are being a customer, it's like a supply to you. Open this door in Jesus' name. I command brightness. Let there be a rainfall. And let there be fertility in Jesus' name. I command you drought to cease in Jesus' name. But the Lord shall have your way in his life. There's a key you lost because of a car. And they are handing over a car. You don't know. You own a car. When you lost one, there's one behind you, and you have no wrong. I say, where I study like pick up, you know what it's called pick up? Not pick up, but you know what they read and press everything they say, close up or what. I am praying now. I don't know what you are saying, but it's something like distributor. What are you saying? Dreams. Okay. What I don't know. Something like distributor. Are you a distributor? You used to. But it now, see that's why you're bringing this particular pick up that do something, and now that is because you used to. You don't like or because of you don't have money to come to that place. You have issue. Okay, if God says God will restore back. I didn't know you're in the front of the phone. I don't talk to you before. Lord, I pray. In your name, I know financial issue, Lord. You are restored wasted money. Save your son. Restore back the glory. Every stolen glory because of where you handled money. There's a money you lended to someone that led you to this pit. And it's a close friend of man. But today I break out evil power. Like your son will be free. Let him be free. I said be free. I said be free. I said be free. From bondage of money will make a friend that have made you to have an issue with the companies that are distributing their products. But they will pay 2, 4, 3, 4 months. Let the rest be restored.